G'day, in today's video I'm looking at the TBK 202. This one is a iPhone 12, the 12 Pro Max screen opener. If I use this combined with a little bit of isopropyl and taking out the pentalobe screws before trying to crack it, in theory we should be able to lift out the screen. Now we get these screws out. One and two. Now I'll loosen this top section up here, just so there's a bit of room to slide the phone. There we go. This should slide in like so. Next up, I'll put some isopropyl on the adhesive to hopefully soften that up a bit. There we go. Fold this over. I'll loosen this screw. Tighten up these ones to lock the phone into position. There we go. And in theory, let's put the suction cup on and start screwing this. In theory, we should get some suction of the screen and it should hopefully lift it out. Or at least that's the theory. So I'll put a bit more isopropyl alcohol in here. There. Try it open. So I'm cranking this screw down. Looks like it's starting to lift along here. No, looks like the suction cup is slipping. Nope, still nothing. Try it lower. Clamping it down, screwing it up. There we go. We've popped one side over here. Bingo. So in theory from there, I should just be able to use a plastic pry tool to continue that around. Either I can repeat the steps over and over again. Nope, may have to, just pushed it back down. Put a little bit more isopropyl alcohol in there. Go back down. Undo the lock. Push it down. Lock it. Start cranking it up again. So it doesn't seem to be very much a simple single step process, but more repeating of steps. As you can see here, we are lifting along here. In theory, I should be able to hopefully pry. No, I won't bother prying. I'll pour. In theory, if I crank this one, hopefully it will lift it. Not quite. So I'll keep cranking down here. There we go, as I'm cranking, the isopropyl alcohol is lifting up that screen. I'll reapply some more along here. And just keep cranking. Eventually that should mostly lift off. Apply some along here. Hopefully, a bit of luck. I'm going to take that suction cap off, fold it over, and in theory, bingo, we're in. That does take a little bit of work, but if you want to get in there without destroying that display every time, this does seem to be one potentially useful way to do it. Anyway, hope that helps. I'll see you guys later. Bye.